Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fade hair in Imvu. So keep in mind, it only works for this creator and not this one or Kings. Okay, only work for Xbuilder. So let's start up by going down here. You find texture. Alright, so the link will be down in the description below. Find texture, click on it. So once the page loaded, just click on the download button right here. Just save it to any location you want. I'll save it right here. Then just open up the folder you saved. You download the file. Sorry, just extract it. You can use WinRAR or 7-zip, up to you. And also, I'm gonna link down the guide. You can download. Only work for Photoshop. It's a PSD file. This tutorial I'm gonna use Photoshop. So this file gonna help you with the fade. So we're going for the square one like this. This one is mine. I did back goes when I had my account on iView. So yeah, and also you're gonna find this one. It's a PNG file. It's another guide that might help you. We'll come at it later. So just open the PSD file in Photoshop. As you can see, there's a line right there. Don't worry about it. All you gotta do is just click on View and make sure you lock the guide so it doesn't move later. So once it's locked, go back to the file that you extracted the fade. There's different type of fade right here, as you can see, and the UV map. So I'm gonna use the temp for this tutorial. I think it was the best, but it's up to you. You can choose. So I'm just gonna load it up in Photoshop in the PSD5, as you can see right here. So once it's loaded, make a new layer. Click on the icon right here and name it to gradient. So once done, go into the bucket tool, right click on it, select the gradient tool, and make sure the color is black. And also here in the basics, you choose the middle one, not with white, but this one, the middle one. So the guide right here says start gradient. So on the line here, you just need to start the gradient for the fade. What I mean by that, just go on the line, hold shift, and then goes up. Don't go near the other line, just like 3/4. As you can see, it's already fade the sides. So next, on the guide, it's fade right, fade left. What I mean by that is that the white line here should touch the line. So it look like this on the both sides. You gotta do that. How to do it? Go into the original, the fade that you just load. Just duplicate it, Control J, then Control T to transform. Hold Shift and Alt at the same time, and then resize. Just put it on the same line. As you can see, it's moving. Just put both sides on the line right here, and you can also do the top also, and then click on the tick. As you can see, the fade is on the line. It's not perfect, but you can adjust it later on. How to adjust it? Click on Control T again, use the wrap tool, and then just move it as you wish. You can try on the IMView and see which one works the best for you. So you can see here you got a fade. Now for example, if the right and the left doesn't look the same and you load it on IMView and you see if the left look better than the right, all you gotta do, you just duplicate these two layers, the same, just click on the layer and hold shift, click down, Control J, right click on them and merge layer so it become one. Okay, you can name it to find anything you want. So what I mean is the left right looks better than the right side. All you gotta do is just duplicate the layer again, Control T to transform, right click on it and flip horizontal. Up to you which one is better. Okay, and you just hit enter. That's it. So you can try it on Imvu. Sorry, I can't try it because I'm banned on Imvu. The hardware banned me for no reason. But yeah, this is how you made a fade, like the basics one. You need to practice till you get it. So if you love this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what you want to see next. I might help you. Anything creating on Imvu. Thanks for watching.